I am Sheron. I am here to do my third web technology lab experiment, and this is my lab exercise. It's used to design we want to create a single website using like HTML and CSS. So our main aim is to create a website, and for that, and our output which we wanted is like it should be like this. We need menu items, heading, subheading on address, and also the images. So I'm going to my code, and this is my code. This is my code. Here there is we are using two codes. Like this is the external HTML file, and this will be our main style, that is like CSS. And here is all full of attributes which we wanted to use. And first we are giving the title as experiment 3. The website site we are giving the name as experiment 3. For this one only, we are giving the title as experiment 3, and then we are giving a link style sheets and type like text CSS and href main style. Is because we are calling the classes from here, and because this is the main style CSS, so the attributes are in this CSS only. So we have created many classes to get called only. We are using this link. And after that, we are going to the body, and div tag is there. Like div tag class is equal to header1. So class name is header1, and for header1 these are the attributes like background color, text element, font size, shadow, width, padding, topping, etc. And if we give that one and all, the output will be like this, and this will be the color, background and all. And second one is like we are giving like the heading will be like my first website, so it will be shown like here. My first website will be shown like here. To give the color, to give everything only, we are using this header1 tag. And another one is like we are using another class like navbar, that is navigator bar. Here there are like to display background color, border, float, height, text element, width and all. To get the display, we are using inline block, background color, confirm. Like for that only, we are giving the navigation bar. And yeah, here we can see like look, this is the navigation bar, like menu item 1, 2, 3, about us, home. This all comes under the navigation bar. And now this is the ordered list, like menu items 1, menu items 2, and menu items 3, home, etc. So it will be shown like here, like home, about us, menu item 1, menu item 2, menu item 3 and all. And again after that, we are taking an image, like image src is equal to nightsky.jpg. jpg means the type of the image. Then background we are giving, height and width we are setting up. So for getting the image only, we are using the tag like image src. So nightsky.jpg means this will be the image or what we will get. Again another class content, like and we are giving like welcome to web technology. That means that yeah, here welcome to web technology, it will be shown like this. And one thing is that we are creating another class called content, and inside the content like we will have position will be set up, top, left, font size and color all will be set up. So for that only we have created a class called content. Another class is also the class middle. Class middle is like margin top and margin bottom. For that only we have created the class middle. Actually this all are attributes for this means CSS all contains attributes, and this is the external HTML. So we are calling from these attributes only, then we are calling from that CSS, then only the attributes are get called. Like again we are image src, again we are giving another image like menu pic 2. This means that these are the images that we are giving, like that menu 4, menu 5, all here is like we are getting the menu. For that we are image src, menu pic 2 means like we are getting the image. And here again we are creating the classes like class image 1, class image 1, image 2, etc. This is like look, image 1 like float position, we are adjusting the size and all. For that only we are created in the classes like image 1, image 2 and all. And another next one is like to get the paragraph, like subheading 1, subheading 2, and we want to get the paragraphs. For that we are creating a paragraph, a class called subhead. Yeah, subhead means height, width, text alignment, font size, background, capacity, color, everything we are getting. And we have given some paragraphs like Lauren, Instagram, dollar and all. It's all a paragraph which will comes under that class inside the subheading 1. Again, another class also calculated at box 1. So also to adjust like look, box 1 float right. So also to get the correct position and all. And again we are a paragraph is there to get the words like. Here this will be the output, like this paragraph will come here and this submitting another paragraph will come here. And to get the address we are using the class foot. Look, class foot means height, position, width, background, margin, all these are attributes. So to get the address properly we have created a class called foot. Inside that foot only, like we are giving the address. And I forgot to say one thing, like this is also class called overrimming. Overrimming means like, yeah, overrimming also. Yeah, class subheading, to get the subheading properly only we are giving that overrimming. And a class middle and a class box means like to get the correct size. Look, box 1 box like margin should be correct, height, width, background. For that only we are giving box and overrimming. Look, here is overrimming, like position should be absolute height 50 pixel, top 170 pixel. For that only we are giving the class is equal to overrimming. And after that class box, to get the proper box like this, to get the proper box like, and to get the address here we are using the class called foot. Inside that foot font size, height, size and all will get. So this will be the address that we will get inside the output. So this two will be subheadings that which I created, and this will be the address. And these images are all created using the image src, and we are this all boxes all are created using the classes. We have given like many class names, and we have given like class foot, class subhead, middle, then class navbar and all. And inside that all the attributes are given. So this will be the main CSS, and this is the index. And through all these classes and like through all the subheading we can create a website. And this is my third lab experiment on web technology. Thank you.